The next morning, all the kingdom was filled with the news. The Grand Duke was going from house to house with a small glass slipper in his hand, for the prince had said he would marry no one but the girl who could wear the tiny shoe. Every girl in the land tried hard to put it on. The ugly stepsisters tried hardest of all, but not a one could wear the glass shoe. And where was Cinderella? Locked in her room, for the mean old stepmother was taking no chances of letting her try on the slipper. Poor Cinderella! It looked as if the Grand Duke would shortly pass her by, but her little friends the mice got the stepmother's key and they pushed it under Cinderella's door. So down the long stairs she came. As the Duke was just about to leave, "Please," cried Cinderella, "please let me try." And of course the slipper fit, since it was her very own. That was all the Duke needed. Now his long search was done, until Cinderella became the prince's bride and lived happily ever after. And the little pet mice lived in the palace and were happy ever after, too. The end.